Whoa dude, this video is not seriously grounded, it's a parody. Comedy proposes unprepared use. This VOD is protected with improved security. So, before enjoy, now, enjoy.
Warning. This comb does not seriously potatoes. This video contains sentences that are graphic, or violent. These content may be suitable for young audience, so beware.
Windows 98 startup sound is coming soon. Build number 1 billion. Realme C51 is a free-to phone in your previews. It features a PLES screen with a speed of 90s, a Unisoc 612 chipset inside, 4 GB RAM, and 128 MB of storage space. While the phone is not the final one, we will make a new video with updated phone soon in a future version.
Warning. This content is potatoes. This video contains graphic violence, so beware.
It's super different from the US between China and Korea because in our country the only we don't have this thing. So and for me, my personality, I'm really outgoing and I just see everybody I can. So I don't like I have to listen to the sisters sometimes. So very first time I just couldn't receive that because the Shinge team they asked me to you have to listen to Sunday. So why I have to do it? Because I have my own personality. Why I have to? Because I lived in my hometown for about 20 years, but now you ask me to change it up.
Número 1. Toca actor.
Color la vida. Fiesta. BEWARR Flex edition. Flex.
In questo inverno c'è qualcosa che non va.
Whoa dude.
This video is potatoes. So, for beware, it will be the last whoa dude ever. So pause a progress barcode namelessly.
Shutting down screenshot phone. We detected that Realme C51 is now a release candidate phone and no longer a free-to-phone in your previews.